Welcome to or back to the channel. Today I'm going to give you guys kind of a walk around, show you a couple of the projects you haven't seen yet, and just a little update on my fish ponds and aquariums. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and hope you enjoy the video. A little update on the Oscars. With the Oscars in the small 80 gallon, once they get big enough, I'd like to put them up in this 300 gallon so that I can grow them even bigger, and then make for some better feeding videos. Hoping to actually get a red-tailed cat, maybe a couple of them. Silver arowanas, I really like those, but of course we'll have to get them small and grow them up in the smaller tank and then transfer them. And then the little koi, growing them up for the big tank next year. Little Groot. And once again, this is the 240 patio tank. This is where I'd like to put the koi once they get big enough, or I might just actually put them in next spring. On the porch, it creates a nice look through, so that when you're sitting on the porch enjoying the views, you can actually see these fish too. So need to get the gravel set up. I'm going to do a couple DIY filters for this tank and the 300 gallon in the shop. That way we can keep that water nice and clear, and then hopefully this spring we'll have some koi swimming around in there, putting some color in it. So for the pond, this is my DIY filter. Of course, just a trash bucket. It's got about 40 pounds of lava rock in the bottom. Built this little cross in there to distribute the water a little even. Got some mesh and believe it or not, a little laundry basket. Filter out the big stuff before it gets to the lava rock. The pond pump over there just pumps it up in. Got my fake lily pads, just giving the fish some cover. There's a little different angle, now you can kind of see the fish. The DIY pond filter did an amazing job clearing the water up. Now you can actually see all the goldfish in there. A bunch of little mosquito fish also. I do have live lily pads in there. It's just the wrong time of the year for them to be producing pads and flowers, but hopefully next spring we'll be able to see some of those. I do have a pond heater in there. Well, it's a tank heater I'm using as a pond heater. Keep them warm through the winter. And this is the wife's pug. She likes to make lots of noise, run around crazy. She's about 10 years old, but still thinks she's a puppy. Beautiful view of the dent sides, mine, Brent's, and James's. Then I got the couple square bodies, short bed and long bed. Then of course the Mustang. Here's the wife's Mustang, eating a couple little snacks. Get him a little treat in the middle of the day. Got the gravel all spread out, kind of helping with the dust control in the lot here. The wife's truck, my Mustang. Got the two OBS Chevys, the daily and the project. And the project, that's a 454 big block project. Built engine, tranny, new driveline. Just got to get to work on it. Everybody knows about the loud and proud OBS Power Stroke that I'd won. Love that truck. And of course my Dodge Ram tow pig. And the wife's got her little Beetle here. Little convertible. Well, there it is, guys. Thank you for tuning in today and watching the video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos to come. Thank you for watching.